This is Taiku Resh, Chet, Tzadi. Resh, Chet, Tzadi. And it's the 298th. Now, it usually would be Resh, Tzadi, Tzadi Ches. Resh, Tzadi, Chet. But that forms the word Retzach, which means murder. So you'll find often in Jewish texts, in Jewish, when they make chapters, and it's a three-letter symbol for a chapter, and it forms a word that's negative, then they'll switch the letters around. Like, for example, they did that with in the year Tafshim Mem Daled, which corresponds to the year 1984. They didn't write it like that. They wrote Tash Dam. Because if they wrote Tashmad, it would be like Shmad means destroy, and so they switched to the dal before the mem. So I'm following suit. I'm kind of doing the same thing, and so this is the 298th, which is really Resh is 200, Tzadi is 90, and Chet is 8, so 298. But that forms the word Retzach. So I'm doing Resh, Chet, Tzadi. So, but it's a 298 Taiku, and it's found in Tractate Temurah 9b, according to the book by Rabbi Aharon Yehoshua Pessin, who put all the Taikus in one book called Taiku. Taiku is an unanswered, unresolved question in the Babylonian Talmud. Here it is, Taiku 298, Temurah 9b. Omer Abaye, mai komen boile. Ishne gufin kedusha achas. Komi boile ti boile blo nitchaper. Abaye said, what is the dilemma he is raising? If he is raising a dilemma with regard to two bodies, meaning two different animals, the problem should stand even if both are of one type of sanctity. If so, let the dilemma be raised even in a case where he did not achieve atonement through another guilt offering, and the second animal was never consigned to be sacrificed as a burnt offering. And if he is raising a dilemma with regard to two types of sanctity, it should apply even in the case of one body. If so, let the dilemma be raised even in a case where the original animal did not become blemished, but was simply lost and found after the owner atoned by means of another offering and thereby consigned the original animal to be sacrificed as a burnt offering. Rabbi Ovin chadamigo chadakameboyele. אם תמצא לומר שני גופים קדושה אחת לא משום דברה היא קדושה יתאוסף בה חד הזימנה חומש שני גופים ושני קדושות מאי תיקו. The Gemara explains that Rabbi Avin raises one dilemma as a result of the anticipated solution to another dilemma as follows. If you say that in a case of two bodies and one type of sanctity, the owner does not add 1/5, perhaps that is because 1/5 was already added once to redeem an animal with that type of sanctity. If so, what is the halacha in the case of two bodies and two types of sanctity? Perhaps, since the second animal possesses a different sanctity, it is considered to possess its own original sanctity rather than derivative sanctity, and therefore one who redeems it adds 1/5. The Gemara concludes, Taiku, the dilemma shall stand unresolved until the coming of the Messiah, the son of David, and the son of Joseph, by the way, and Elijah the prophet. May it be soon and in our day. Amen.